to Jamb 2011 Economics Past Question number 13. It says when a consumer is at equilibrium, the MRS is equal to A, to the sum of the two prices, B, product of the two prices, C, ratio of the two prices, D, difference of the two prices. MRS means marginal rates of substitution. Marginal rate of substitution, that is the meaning of MRS. It's the amount of a good that the consumer is willing to consume in relation to another good, as long as the new goods is equally satisfying. So from our question and our option, when a consumer is at equilibrium, the MRS is equal to the sum of the two prices. So option A is the correct option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.